Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain about the basic programs, logical programs on strings, right? Using the Java language, just basic programs I want to explain. So basic programs means just how to create the string, right? And how to display the elements of string and how to display the elements in reverse order and all. See, generally, if you want to define a string, simply we can represent the string like this: string str equals to a sequence of characters is nothing but a string that we are representing with a double quotes. Suppose I'm writing that coding string str equals to coding. If you want to display the complete string, if you want to display, simply we can display by specifying the name str. By specifying the name, we can display that value. You will get the output is coding. Sir, if I want to display only the first character, I want to display the specific character. If you want to display the specific character, if you want to display, there is a method called char at method. It is taking the index as an input and it is returning the character which is present at that index. Char that index. So here it will returns the character of specified index. Which index you will specify, the character will be returned. See, for example, I want to display the first character. The first character always present in which location? In 0th location. See here. So whenever we are defining one string, that string will be created as a sequence of characters. Here it is. It will display like this. It will get memory like this, and at locations 0 1 2 3 4 5, total 6 characters. Now indexing starts with 0 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. This is how the memory will be allocated to that string. We access the elements using their index. So now I want to display the first character, that is index is a 0. So how to display means what? Here, if you want to get and display, select str dot char at of 0. It will return the character. We just collect into that character variable one variable. Then display system dot out dot println. That ch we are displaying. The first character, if you want to give the message, of course you can give the message. See, it is printing. So directly, if you want to display means what? This one you can write here. And no need to collect into character and all. Sir, I want to give the message like first character. Yes, you can give the first character also. Just compile it and run it. See, the first character is a C. Like that, any index character. See, for example, if you want to display D, right? This is index 0 and this is index 1 and this is index 2. So whenever you are displaying that 2, here it is character at index 2. Then the second character will display. So that is D will display. Char at index 2 is D. So individual characters, if you want to display, then we always use char method by specifying the index. Sir, I want to display the last character. See, index 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 5th location, that last character is present. So whenever you are displaying that last character, and here if you specify 5, when you specify 5, then you will get the output is last character is G. Sir, for example, if you don't know the length of the string and I want to display the character, then what I should do? See here, whenever we don't know that last character, first we should know the length. For that, we should understand a method called length method. Length. It returns the length of the string. Returns length of the string. See, first of all, let me display that length of the string. Here, if you want to find the length, str, again I'm writing like this, str dot length, and that we are collecting into one variable n. So n holds the length of the string. Now if you want to find the length, just giving the message clearly, length is just n we are printing. So total how many characters are there? 6 characters are present. So length 6 will display. Length 6 will display. Now I want to display that last character. See, when length is a 6, last character is at 5. That is important. Because indexing starting with 0, not with 1. So that's why whenever you are displaying the last character using the length, last character. So what is the method? First of all, str dot char@, of n means 6. N value, the total length it is giving 6 because 6 characters are there. But at 6th location character is not there. Last character is at 5th location. So always you should use what? N minus 1. Length minus 1 is the last character. Is just compile and run. Look at that last character is what? G is printing. G. This is the way we need to display the last character. Now I want to read one string from the user, so that I want to display first and last characters. If you want to read the string means what? In console applications, we are using simply scanner class. Scanner, and I'm creating the object of scanner class. Scanner, scan equals to new scanner of system.in. And we ask them to enter system.out.print, enter your name. Enter your name. Then we collect that. Which method means in scanner class, next method is there that is used to read one string. We just collect into one string. Any variable name, suppose name only I'm taking, because here I ask you to enter the name. Now, once you enter that, I want to display system.out.println. So what is the first character? What is the first character? Simply name dot caret of 0. Name dot caret of 0. So whatever the name they entered, right, it will return the first character. It will return the first character. See, it will ask enter your name. Here it is, I'm entering that name is Amar. The first character is A printing. I just want to display the last character. For that, better we find out the length. Int n is equal to, how to find that length, right? Name dot, which method we have to call? Length method we should call. So then the last character, length also if you want to display, you can. So I'll display that last character. Last character is name dot caret of the total length minus 1 because of index. That is already discussed. Now again, that same name I am giving. Look at the first character is A and the last character is R. Right? If you want to display the length of the string, you can display the length. Length is simply n because we already find that is the length is 4. So this is the way that how to read the string from the user using the scanner class and displaying the first character and displaying the last character and the length of the string, right? So these are the basic things we need to understand before going to learn more logical programs on strings. Hope you understood. Thank you.